One day in class, a teacher gave a paper to Thomas and she asked, Thomas, give this paper only to your mother. He came back from school and he gave that paper to his mother. He asked his mother, Mother, what is written in the letter? His mother's eyes were tearful as she read the letter out loud to her child. She read, Your son is genius, and this school is too small to teach him, and we don't have trained teachers to teach him. Please teach your child yourself. After some years, his mother died. One day, he found an old letter in his closet. He found it was the same letter given by his teacher to his mother when he was a child. The message written on the letter was, Your child is mentally ill. We cannot keep him in school. He is expelled. He became emotional reading it, and he wrote in his diary, Thomas Alva Edison was mentally ill, and his mother turned him into the genius of the century. We all know about Thomas Alva Edison and his inventions. He developed many devices in fields such as electric power generation, mass communication, sound recordings, and many more. So, dear friends, we have seen in this story, if one door is closing, many doors are opening. And we have seen a mother can change the destiny of a child. Trust your parents, take care, stay blessed, and enjoy your life.